akudani anonzwa panguva ino the ruling party ZANU-PF achida kumira zvakanaka. Tikatarisa the ruling party ZANU-PF, everyone opposing to 2030, tikatarisa kuma generals, tikatarisa ku ZNA, tikatarisa ku Air Force of Zimbabwe, kuma Air Marshals, tikatarisa even kuma war veterans. Anyone anoita sekunge anyanya kukura musoro panguva ino, aiwa anobva atongora akashiwa nebo subscribe or like on the bell icon. At this time, tine panguva ino ima recent series of deaths panguva ino akashamisa veruzhinji. Panguva ino tikona kuti people they have created and compiled a series of deaths which occurred within 1 month. Zvatakaona kuti the ruling party ZANU-PF yakaenda Heroes Acre mawiki akaterekedzana, and at some point kanova kunzi vakatomboenda kaviri in the same month. Panguva ino tinoverenga panguva ino the ZANU-PF patriotism means Comrade Victor Matimadanda dies. With the deep sorrow we mourn the passing of Comrade Matimadanda, a gallant son of Zimbabwe who was a tapestry of sacrifice, service, and unwavering patriotism. Born on 3 March 1960 in Gokwe, Victor Matimadanda answered the call. To be again with the ZANU-PF patriots, they posted wakati Air Marshal of the Zimbabwe, LZ officer, Air Commando retired, Peter Samuel Ngulu has died. Turned again, they posted also wakati Major General retired Richard Ruondo, who died on July 7, has been declared a national hero. We've seen another general, again, General Zwema, dies. Retired Major General Vitisto Zwema has died while receiving medical treatment in India. A distinguished former military officer and a senior civil servant. What developments are kuda panguva ine ari kunzi generals, you must stay warned. Noda kuti panguva ine mapinda in attack, panapa mapinda a virus. Iri kunzi iri kuya panguva ine ichiataka vakomana, anyone who pose or anongostenda is their threat. Muna comment section medu zofungira ema uri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, or turn on the bell icon.